Everyone, welcome to Princess Jen channel. Comment, like, subscribe. Guys, today I'm making fungi. As you can see, I have the cornmeal here, fine yellow cornmeal. Then I added the okra in there to boil. The okra had to be cooked first before I add the cornmeal, but I mixed the cornmeal in water so it wouldn't turn lumpy. And I added coconut oil to give it a flavor. And this one says reggae country style brand. So this is very tasty. And then all I do, I just mix the cornmeal. As you go, you just mix and stir it up. I mean the corn flour or cornmeal, whatever you call it. And then as you do that, the okra dissolves in there and it turns not as soft as this, it gets a little harder. And then you just oil up a bowl and you make it to the size you want to serve. That's how you make cornmeal. Sorry, that's how you make fungi. So I'm gonna serve my fungi when I'm finished. Yes guys, my fungi is ready. I have to just turn up the stove and then I can serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment below. Please subscribe.